Hello from Jordan Farrington Commercials. Here we have a 2018 68 reg IVECO daily, so medium wheelbase. So this is a service workshop van. It's basically a generator compressor van. So it's got electric power and air power. As you can see, 2 flashing beacons, full length reflective stripe, rear door chevron. There's your power and your air. It's also got reverse camera. Direct from lease, like pretty much all of our stock. This one's got a warranted, I think, just over 88,000 miles. Side door also has a deadlock on. Obviously this fan gets more interesting once we get inside, which I'll show you now. So this is an ex-Cadent van. Work lamp. Some extra regs for when you're towing. More work lamps. There's your power. Close up for the air. Hand wash basin. LED lights. More power outlets. Non-slip floor. Lots of metal racking. As we come into the cab, 2 full-size seats. So there's generator compressor pulley, safe, all the different parts for the cab light, interior lights, beacons, work lamps, and obviously the hand wash. This van also comes with aircon, your radio, all the steering wheel controls. There's your reverse camera. So I'll just show you how the PTO engages, same with many others. Lift the handle up, the engine revs, put the vehicle into fourth, slowly off the clutch. You should then hear the PTO kick in. There you go, if you can hear that. Any other questions at all, please give me a shout.